I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to switch your mobile number from 3UK to EE, follow these steps to make the process smooth and hassle-free. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Before starting the porting process, ensure that your 3UK account is active and that you have no outstanding payments. If your account is closed or has been inactive for a while, you may not be able to port your number. Step 2. Request a PSC code. Contact 3UK to request a porting authorization code PSC. You can do this via their customer service number or through their app. The PSC code is valid for 30 days, so make sure to use it promptly. Step 3. Sign up with EE. Once you have your PSC code, go to an EE store or their website to sign up for a new plan. During the sign-up process, you will be asked if you want to keep your existing number. This is where you enter your PSC code. Step 4. Wait for the transfer. After submitting your PSC code, EE will initiate the porting process. This usually takes a few hours, but it can take up to 1 working day. Keep your old SIM card until the transfer is complete. Step 5. Confirm the porting. Once your number has been successfully transferred, you will receive a confirmation from EE. Test your new SIM card by making a call or sending a text to ensure everything is working correctly. Switching your number can seem daunting, but following these steps will help you get it done without any issues. Good luck with your new EE plan.